Hey guys, well guess where we are? The new house. So I thought I'd give you the 10-cent tour today. I'm gonna have a whole lot of time to be here, but I gotta get back to Huntsville and get a truck picked up. But in the meantime, we'll look around and check the place out. You notice what you don't hear? That's right. No dogs barking, no traffic going by. So anyway, this house is about 30 years old, I think it said. Yeah, it's got a nice concrete porch and nice beds here to put things in. Have to wait till it starts getting warm to see if anything comes up out here. But nice western exposure. It's got a nice big yard. I don't know what kind of trees those are. Somebody's been in the front yard over here. I don't know what that was about. Looks like they got stuck. Now, this is something that the house I'm in now didn't have enough of, and that's outlets. So it's kind of right here at the front. I gotta come get that lock box. Hello? All right. Coat hook. Light here. He said the previous tenant left a few things that were in good shape if I wanted them. So, outlet here, outlet here. That old house has got just outlets, 4 outlets per room. It's got a rug. He said that rug's in pretty good shape, so I could keep it. He said this was like an entertainment center, but I don't know exactly what it is. We got a bunch of cables plugged into something under there. I have to investigate that. It's got a, I'm not sure what that is. It's pretty homemade, but it's all right. It's got a fireplace with an insert, which he said works. Have to see if the chimney's been cleaned. If not, we'll have to clean that. Another TV outlet, another outlet. It's like a 220. I don't know what that is. Light switch. It's for the, very nice. Oh, this is the TV stand. He said the guy left, I guess. Well, this thing's wired. Look at this. Yeah. Look at that, 4 outlets. That's that. I tell you what, that I would rent this house just for the number of outlets in it. I think. Ceiling fan there. It's got the columns there. Another outlet, another light. I guess that's outside. This is a. We'll go out in a minute, but this has got a nice big porch out here that you can use for entertaining. It's a lot larger than I remember from being out here the other day. So you can left some torches with it. How about that? Another outlet, another outlet. Bar stools. Nice cabinets. It's cold. Oh yeah, nice. Non-broken refrigerator. Outlets, outlets. Look at that, nice flat top stove, I guess you call it. I hate to say it, I like my old landlords just fine, but man, that house is in bad shape down there. I shouldn't have stayed there as long as I did. Yeah, I got that there. I still can't hardly believe this thing was $75 cheaper than what I'm doing now. No garbage disposal, but that's okay. Outlet. Nice bar. Man. Yes, it is. All right. So this is the. Let's see what this does here. Oh, that's the kitchen light. All right. So this is the thing that comes on backwards for some reason. This is like the laundry room and stuff like that. Water heaters here, hooks here. Nice rack. Another outlet. They just had to fix that, but you can't even ever tell it's been fixed. Hope that thing drains okay. I had problems with the other one. Cabinets. Breaker box. Outlets. It goes outside. We'll go back out here in a minute. Hallway, doorbell, smoke detector. With this hall light, I guess it is. All right, proceed down the hallway. Now the light, I guess, is turned to, yeah. I don't know why there's a switch right there in the middle of the wall, but I guess we'll find out. This is the back bedroom. This will be the spare bedroom. Outlet. Cable outlet. You like the pole brace there to keep the pole from collapsing. Too much weight. Look at the shelves. Isn't that nice? Hey, it's got a light in here. Very nice. All right. This front bedroom. This is the one I use because it has access to the bathroom. Look at that. Febreze, outlet. This big walk-in closet. Put my vast collection of shoes in here, huh? Right. Nice. Should go into the bathroom. Yep. All right. Let's back out to the hall. Hey. Golly. So we got a mirror still in here. Cool. Out that shower head. Yeah. If you pardon me a second. That's better. Okay. Come on. Closet looks like here. Yep. Linen closet. Kind of rough getting up in that one, huh? So anyway, yep. Very nice. Outlet. I'm not gonna know what to do with all these outlets. I know, I'll plug stuff into them. How about that? Some Briss here. Somebody made a comment about me saying debris. I know it's debris. I know that. So let me see. I'll lock this door up because I'm going to go out the back. It's one thing I was wanting to check on, make sure this had deadbolts, and it does there and there. Good. You know, this has that echoey sound that houses only have when they're totally empty. You ever notice that? Yeah. Let's make sure to get this door open. Uh-oh, I don't see a deadbolt on this one. You might have to ask them about that. If I care to put one in. Anyway, one out, so here. Yep, we're home. Right. I was wondering, yeah, that's well, I guess the landlord's been here. They were working on something. Get a pressure washer or pressure wash this siding back here. I was curious if this house was actually just an old house that they had just rehabbed or something, but I think it's actually the age it says it is. This is the walkway right here I'm tromping down. Yeah, we had a pretty good bit of snow. We had a couple inches at least. So it's got like a little pad right here. You can put a barbecue grill right there, obviously. And somebody's left that there. Some more outlets. I wonder if that's my landlord. So, anyway, nice porch here. I thought this thing was smaller than it is, but it's not. So, that'll work. I ain't gonna keep those tiki torches this close. Set the damn porch on fire. Yeah, that's interesting looking that they've done that. I don't know what that's. So, the property runs from about where you see those posts right there down. Well, there's posts in different spots. But you see that one right there, and then those trees. You can kind of see the line over there. We'll walk out there. I'm not sure how far back it goes. I have to find out for sure, but we'll do more of that. I don't really have time today to walk you all around, but got some flower boxes here. You guys know I like plants, and this would be an excellent place to put bird houses and stuff out. So there's a house way over there. There's one way over here. Ain't nothing back there. Of course, neighbors over here. A couple of them, but you hear that? Do you hear that? So here we go. Here's the most important part of the whole thing. This is this little garage, and it's not huge, but it will work. It's got a nice parking pad right here. It goes from there over, so that's excellent. And I like where it's positioned. It's back here behind the house, so I can park stuff. I was curious about this. I didn't remember if this thing, I walked through this pretty quick that day, and I didn't remember if it had power to this thing, but obviously it does, because you can see that. Oh, good, that's locked. Good. They call this a man door. Hope the key fits it. Well, that's great. Somebody has locked the door. I wonder if the big door's open. Let's see. Home sweet home. I think this is about 25 by 25 square. And look at that, somebody's left me a stool. I've been needing one of those. Work light. Check it out. Outlet. I tell you what I'm gonna do when I get a chance. I get out here and move. I'm gonna do the RP Happy Dance out here, like you wouldn't believe. So, anyway, like I said, it's not huge, but this will definitely do. It's got this nice roll-up door, chair. It's a nice building. Needs to be cleaned a little bit, but nice concrete pad. So, I think the Big Fury will fit over here, and then that'll give me from here over to do whatever, have fun. I'm not worthy. Boy, I'm gonna have to be getting me a lawnmower out here. All right, let's put this back down. I'm not worthy. Nice gravel pad. Well, drive, I guess. So, probably gonna see about getting I've debated selling the big Oldsmobile because I can't find a place, motor for it, but I'm thinking that I'm gonna possibly just stick the big Oldsmobile back here and cover it up again, because nobody ever see it back here, not unless they come looking for it. So anyway, you hear that? Shh. Boy, if you were a hunting man, you could sit right out here in the blind, let her rip. All right, guys, we're about to be overwhelmed with this off, so I think I'm gonna wrap it up. And what time is it? 2:43. Okay, I gotta head back towards Huntsville. Get the truck them up. What this is. Hello. What's that, boy? Timmy fell down the well. Woof. What they were doing out here. They had a pool out here. You know, same deal. This is the same deal with the house I'm living in now, the one I'm moving out of. They had one of those above ground pools. Looks like that burn pile. The railroad tracks are maybe about, I don't know, 1/8 of a mile over there going that way. Ew. Is that a bug trap? Looks like this used to be a clothesline of some sort, but I don't think this is, I think the property is to over, right about right here. Roughly, I think somebody, like right here, I think somebody farms this and farms the rest of it. So, all right, guys, well, that's the tour, and I'm gonna have to do a bunch of back-breaking work now to get moved in, and I'll be glad when it's over, but I'm glad to be doing it. So, thanks for coming along with me on this, and hope you enjoyed the house tour. See you soon.